puilang nong si hambai maya farsinai tan bagit male tini norok sangai baksa o jagawo o dostam somni wo
Bob 2019 no Jeffro Kenya boni short speech narana bage
nyas ang sugyaku ang puilano tai
8 January as a black day. People may ask why we have declared. When the TSF and the NESO jointly had called all notice bond in 2019. The same place where today we had organized and observed as a Black Day, 2019 8 January around 12 to 1 p.m. The security forces has fired to our protesters. It was a peaceful protest, but I don't know what was the reasons that the security forces start firing to the protesters. And in that firing, 5 TSF youth has injured very critically. One Sumit Deborma got 2 bullet injury that passes through the lungs and the heart. But by the grace of God, he survived. The lung and the heart didn't get damaged. And Loli Deborma, Robbie Deborma, and Pohar Deborma, Sumit Deborma. There are 5 people who got a bullet injury. So recalling that particular incident, right from the next 2020 and with this year, 2 years, we have been observing the Black Day. We are sending the message to the government of India that the people of Tripura hasn't stopped protesting against the CAA. We will continue to protest till our breath because we don't want to surrender. And we remember these 5 people who got a bullet injury. It's a beginning of the year of the 2021 again, recalling us, reviving our strength and reviving our hope and remembering the future to begin. And I think for that reason today all the student organizations and the regional political party, NGOs, civil society organizations had participated here and delivered their valuable speech, encouraging the youth of today, encouraging the peoples of Tripura that the Tripura people is still alive to fight for these plague laws that have imposed to the nations and particularly to Tripura. Because Tripura had witnessed how the illegal migrants has actually entered here and how the government of India has accepted them here to settle. And as we all know, in today's data, we have become microscopic. We were saying earlier that we were minorities, but the minorities word that we use as a terminology has no longer remained, but rather we have become microscopic. So therefore, we had given a clear message to the nations and to the people that we haven't forgotten the day where the blood was shed on the ground of the land. So therefore, we will continue to fight to get back our land. So this is what the people have come here. This is what we have observed to the Assam Black Day, and we will continue in future remarking this 8 January as a Black Day. Thank you.